Out of the 148 organizations on campus, the All-Campus Music Organization is not one to be ignored. And this weekend, they're getting in the Halloween spirit.
ACMO does a showcase every single year. I've been in the past 3. Pretty much it's just a collection of songs. We don't do any cuts, so we like to invite new members in just to give them a taste of what ACMO is like. It's really fun. It's just a lot of different songs. We do a theme every year, so this year's obviously Stage Fright. It's Halloween, which is really cool.
It's really fun. I mean, it's all about Halloween, and sometimes you gotta get into the spirit of Halloween, you know?
ACMO has been entertaining audiences at Millersville for the past 40 years. Members are able to participate in all aspects of theater, including performing, directing, stage managing, set design, and more. Putting on a showcase requires dedication and time from all of the students involved.
Well, for preparation, I had to make sure I know the song like the back of my hand.
Rehearsals for weeks, months. It's really painstaking, and especially 2 weeks before the show, we're like there every night. The week before the show is crazy. We run in costume and full makeup, and it takes a lot of time.
And make sure not to miss ACMO's main stage production, The Wedding Singer, coming up in the spring. For Millersville University, this has been Mary Rossi reporting.